Hey, hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Raga. Today, I'm so happy and honored to be featured on Prika All About Crafts blog as Craft Enthusiast of the Month. Prika All About Crafts is a crafting community founded by Priyanka Singh with a mission to spread creativity and build a stronger Indian crafting community for all new learners to join and get inspired. If you haven't known about this crafting community, I'll put the link below in my description box. Kindly check it out. For the featured blog post, I have created an inspirational slimline card with a cracked glass technique. This technique is one of my favorites and it is so much fun to do. Now I'm so excited to share this interesting technique with you all. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. We don't need any magic to transform the world. We already have enough power within ourselves that we have to believe in first. I think this cracked glass technique is so perfect to convey this message. Please excuse the philosophical me if it is boring. I do this with a belief that this may brighten someone's day somewhere who needs some encouragement. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at the supplies required to make this card. I take a side folding card base from Prika's Iris Smooth cardstock of dimension 3.5 by 8.5 inches, a front panel of the same dimension. Vinian Walter Essential Cutaways, Sugar Pea Designs Butterfly Die Set, Believe Sentiment Die Cut from Momenta, few distress oxides of colors, Mauve Lawn, Squeezed Lemonade, and Tumbled Glass for the ink blended background. VersaFine Watermark Stamp Pad and Nuvo Clear Embossing Powder for the cracked glass technique. Let's get started. I take 2 die cuts of this tag die from Vinian Walter Essential Cutaways and I'm going to stack them up. Next, I take a micron pen and transform the tag into a beautiful mason jar by freehand drawing and trim off the unwanted area. Then I take the small butterfly stamp from Neat and Tangle So Foxy stamp set and stamp it on the jar. I also stamp 2 such more butterflies using the mirror reflection stamping technique. For this technique, I first stamp it on an acetate piece, then transfer the impression by flipping it down onto the jar. Gently scrub over to get the impression transferred. I overlay with the micron pen where the impression is not crisp. Here is the closer look. I color the jar and the butterflies inside using Hero Art Soft Grey and Black Soot Distress inks. I also color the edges of the mason jar with black Copic marker. Now I ink this jar using VersaFine Watermark ink pad and apply Nuvo Clear Embossing Powder and heat set it. I'm going to do the heat setting off camera. And I'm going to repeat this process for about 5 to 6 times. Then I'm going to place it in the freezer for 5 minutes. After leaving it to sit in the freezer for about 5 minutes, now I'm going to crack it. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Come on, let's crack it. Wow, look at these cracks. It looks so amazingly magical. I love it, don't you? Let's start preparing the background. I would highly recommend this Iris Smooth cardstock from Prika, which is so great for this ink blending technique. I used mowed lawn for the grass, squeezed lemonade to create the glow effect around the jar, and tumbled glass for the sky. I take a damp cloth and lift up some inks to create some clouds. Also water splattered using a paintbrush and pick up the excess with a facial tissue for more interest. Now let's go ahead and start assembling all the elements onto this front panel. I first glue down the mason jar onto the panel. I have these butterfly die cuts from Sugar Pea Designs and Winnie and Walter out of a colorful smooshed background to be ready to go into my card. I stick down these butterflies and the sentiment in place. Finish off my card by adhering the front panel to the card base. I hope you all liked my card and are inspired to try out this cracked glass technique. If you want me to upload a video on any of your favorite card making techniques, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. If you enjoy watching my card making process, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon with another fun, interesting project. Until then, signing off, Raga. Bye bye.